Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Robin and you guys are watching The Robin's Nest. So how excited are you guys for the new upcoming Trolls movie? Because I know I'm super excited and my kids are too. We can't wait. It's going to be so funny. So that's why today we are going to be making a punked out Princess Poppy cake. I can't wait. It's going to be awesome. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so for this cake we're going to need to carve and shape it a little bit. So I baked up two 9x13 inch vanilla cakes and I'm going to just level these out, take a little bit of icing, fill the layers, stack them on top of each other, and then we're going to take our Princess Poppy template and carve out the figures we need. So once I finished cutting out the shapes I needed, I then transferred my cakes to my cake board and I secured them with a little bit of buttercream. Then I popped them into the fridge for about 30 minutes to firm up my icing layers and my cake a little bit, because now we're going to take our serrated knife and we're going to just carve around the edges a little bit and round them off just to give it a little bit of dimension. And we're also going to shave off a little bit of the body too to make the head stand out a little bit more. There, she's come to life a little bit now. I know you're probably thinking she's got no arms, but we're going to add some fondant arms later on, and we're going to have her throw in some rock and roll symbols. So we're going to get started on our crumb coat and get it off to the fridge to chill for a little bit, and then we're going to roll out some pink fondant. Now there's a couple of different colors of pink on this cake, so I'm going to start with the light pink first and get this rolled out and cover our cake, because this is actually going to be Poppy's skin tone and we're going to have to do that first. Now since this cake is such an awkward shape, I'm actually going to cut a line down the center of my fondant and apply it in two separate pieces, so it's easier to maneuver around and it's going to make our life a lot easier. So we got her covered up, but she's still looking a little bit bare. So we're going to get her dressed in her cute little punk rock outfit. So we're going to start with the little black shirt and move on to her little denim skirt, then her fishnets, and then all her cute little rocker accessories. Well, she's fully dressed and almost fully accessorized. All we have left to do is hair and makeup. So I'm actually going to begin with her face because she has some side swiping pieces of bangs that cover one of her eyes. So we got to make sure we do her face first. Alright, I finished her makeup, and I know it looks a little funny still, but remember we're going to sweep some bangs over her eyes. So I'm going to start rolling out some of this pretty pink fondant and some black fondant, and we are going to start styling her hair. So to make Poppy's awesome punk rock hairstyle, I have rolled out a piece of fondant, as you can see. So we're going to take this piece of fondant, we're going to place it on top of the head and secure it into place. Trim the edges, and then I'm going to use my veining tool to create some lines and texture to make it look more like real hair. Once we finish that, we'll move on to the ponytail. Well, she's got her makeup and her hair done, and I think she looks wicked. What do you guys think? Poppy's definitely my favorite troll, and I can't wait to watch the movie. I'm so excited. And by the way, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you are, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Alright, let's get this cake finished. So she still needs some hands, and we're going to get her throwing some rock and roll signs. And all of these little accessories that she has, where they're gray, I'm going to paint them with a little bit of silver. So I'm going to get this finished, and when we come back, I'll show you how it looks. Well guys, here's my punked out Princess Poppy troll cake, and I think she looks epic. I'm so in love with her. And I really hope you guys all like it too. If you did like the video, you know what to do. Hit that big thumbs up button and let me know what you think about her in the comment section down below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thanks for watching guys. Stay home and stay safe.